Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Sharon and I do appreciate you coming along. Today we're down in Bunnell, Florida, which is right there, Palm Coast area, and we're at a D.R. Horton community called Grand Reserve. Specifically, we're at their St. George model, and we're going to take a peek around, show you a little bit about it, and talk about it. So come on along. All right, gang, the St. George. As we stand in front of it, we see a couple of cool things here, right? We got our two-car garage, which is their site agent's office. And we have this cool little front porch, and the front entrance around the side of the home. So let's go take a peek at it. So you get a little best of both worlds. You get a nice sitting area for talking to the neighbors, and you also get a little private entrance over here. So let's take a peek at this place. It is, again, 1,778 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Pretty cool. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. And we're going to show you a nice little cool house here in the Grand Reserve. All right. As we come into the front entrance space, I'll call it, you can go a couple different directions. Back to the main living space or over to the right where we find some bedroom space. So let's take a little peek around here, okay? Again, as we come around, this would be the entrance. Right now, today, it's the entrance to their office, but normally that would be the entrance to the garage space, okay? But right off the garage space is a bedroom, a really kind of a cool hidden bedroom. It's actually kind of on the front of the house and the side. So let me turn around. Oops, sorry. Let me turn around so you guys can kind of see. It's kind of this would make a great office space. If you didn't need it as a bedroom, this would make a phenomenal office space. And you got a nice walk-in closet over here. Kind of a small-ish, but definitely walk-in ability. Okay. Coming around back outside the room again, the garage is that way. Then we have our bathroom, our full bath, right off the garage space. Okay, pretty deep space. So kind of impressive there. And then another bedroom. Oops! Before we go any further, let me show you a nice little linen closet. And that's another storage closet there. But over here, the other bedroom. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys coming along. Kind of small, nothing huge. Okay, regular, your regular bifolds reach-in closet. Okay, it's kind of got a unique layout. A lot of separation on the spaces. All right, little coat closet. So it's kind of like what I call a back hallway all the time. But anyway, front door, of course, and we're coming into the main living space. And it opens up pretty well, actually. It's a pretty good-sized kitchen, decent-sized island. Natural gas community. Grand Reserve is a natural gas community. That's why the microwave will be vented out to the top. Okay, your slide-in stove, 4-burner cooktop. And the pantry here is pretty dang nice. You'll see here in a moment. So a lot of counter space where they have the coffee maker, upper cabinets throughout. But here we have it's a great size pantry. It actually goes in behind that stove area. A little ways, see? So it's pretty good size. I mean, for a home, a home that's less than 1,800 square feet, you put some more shelves up there, you have plenty of room. That's actually a pretty good. One thing D.R. Horton does is they always have decent-sized pantries in their homes. No matter what size the home is, it's always pretty decent. Okay, then we have our laundry space here, washer, dryer. Again, that's your air handler where the carrier air unit is. And another bedroom over here on this side. Again, small, nothing ginormous, but they have it set up as an office. So that would be kind of cool too. Again, standard closets. Okay. Got vinyl throughout. Makes it super easy to clean. And we have a small on this. Right, and this model is right off the golf course because Grand Reserve has a golf course built into it. Okay. And it almost the porch looks smaller than it is, as you don't see that area right there. So pretty dang nice. Let's see if we can go out there. Show you guys what that looks like. So it kind of hides behind the corner here. So for this size house, it's actually a decent little lanai, right? Right on this one's on the golf course. Pretty decent. All right, let's go check out the master. Again, we appreciate you guys. Hope everybody's enjoying the videos. Give me some feedback. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about different things. Our videos, a particular home we do, or a community, just let me know. I'll answer you. We'll all chat. It's a pretty good sized room. I mean, it's a king size bed with some side tables, dresser. Pretty good sized room. All right, and these are Express Series homes, which what that means is they use products that keep your costs low, but products that if you decide later on, like these are above mount sinks. and they work really, really well. We've had them in some other homes, and people seem to like them. But if you didn't want that, you could actually have those taken out, put some undermounts and stuff, different countertops. So nothing that if you decide you want to get in at a really pliable price point, I'll say. And then later on, as you grow, as the house, as you live in home and you want to upgrade, absolutely can do that all day long. And at a very minimal cost when you think about it. All right, look at this view, huh? This is awesome. All right, gang, that was the St. George by D.R. Horton here in Grand Reserve in Bunnell, Palm Coast area. Beautiful little home. If we get you any other information, help take you on a personal tour, answer any questions you have, just reach out to us. It's all good. And until then, I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.